We have them make presentations. We have them grow and understand our product. They use our product. They go through a rotation where they learn every manufacturing step in the process, so that when they get into their ultimate position, the ultimate starting point, they understand really the entire business. Because really what we want them to be is a consultant to the end user, the customer, the pathologist. In order to do that, what do they need? To communicate well, they need to have the pathologist respect. If they need the pathologist respect, they have to be very well trained. They spend time at the microscopes with the medical staff and review slides and look at the application of our product, understand the disease that's being stained, as we call it, and evaluated and diagnosed.
And how many countries does Cellmark do business in?
So we've gone from selling products into 20 countries in 2007 to more than 70 today.
Why would you say customers buy Cellmark products?
Cellmark delivers product that is consistently high in quality, performs the same from lot to lot to lot, and also provides value. So we have a number of ways. We're not overpriced in the market. You know, we're fairly priced. We have, the customers rely on us to have a product that is going to work uniformly from bottle to bottle to bottle, from test to test to test over time. And the performance is always expected to be high from us. Our products are, as I told you, a company run by pathologists for pathologists. So our pathologists review the products that ultimately, and QC products that ultimately another pathologist is going to be using as a diagnostic tool. So we really create a nice uniform product for the customer to rely upon. The second point I would say is that customers turn to Cellmark more and more because we are finding the newer and more useful product and introducing those to the market as well. So they turn to us to, if they have an interest in better diagnostic tools for renal cell carcinoma, they will turn to us and what does Cellmark have? And we're able to, our consultants are able to advise and help them, point them in the right direction, and say, you should consider this tool, and share how this tool can help them and the patient.
I have a Bachelor's of Science degree in biology with an emphasis in molecular biology. I've worked for almost 30 years in the medical device industry, primarily in the medical diagnostic area. I primarily worked for smaller companies, to medium-sized companies like Cellmark. These are small, growing companies, and that's something that I really enjoy, is working in this environment, because I feel like I can make a pretty good contribution and really contribute to the success of these companies.
What do you feel is the overall objective of operations?
Operations is actually, its objective is very simple. It's to provide quality products to our customers on time. So the objective is actually really simple. The challenge, though, is that at Cellmark we have over 3,000 different products that we have to maintain inventory so that we can make sure that they're available to get them to our customers. We're a growing company. We have had double-digit growth. As well, we have had partnerships with different companies, so the types of products that we provide also grows. So our menu just expands. And that's a challenge, to maintain the ability to provide those products on time to our customers. We're pretty successful at it. Our backorder rate is less than 0.5%, which is very good. And the quality of our products has been maintained very well. Our customer complaint level is less than 0.1%. which both of those measures really indicate how successful we are as an organization. Another challenge to operations is that we're a regulated industry. We're regulated by the FDA. We're also, since we sell to Europe, we're regulated by the European Union. And almost in every other country that we sell in, we have to meet certain requirements there. And we've been very successful at that as well. We've been audited by the FDA. We have a yearly audit to meet the European requirements, and we've had several successful audits by our strategic partners as well, and all passed successfully. So for quality and for providing our customers, we're meeting our objective very well. The main area that I oversee is the production area, where we manufacture the products. We package them, fill them, package them, label them, and get them ready to be ship to our customers and ship to our customers.
What makes Cellmark's operation so successful?
There's a number of factors that go into making that successful. First, we have a very robust quality system. We also have a culture of continuous improvement, so we're always looking at what we do and try to improve our processes. We also have a pretty robust and sophisticated IT network. For a company this size, it's actually very sophisticated. I was pretty amazed when I first came here to see what they had in place, and it's improved since then. For a company this size to have that kind of level of sophistication, that's really important to protect the data that we have and to allow us to communicate well with internally as well as externally. Probably the most important thing, though, I think, is that we try to develop a culture of excellence.
Hello, my name is George Yang, and I am pathologist at Cellmark Corporation. Also, I am Vice President of Research and Development Department. I obtained my medical education back in China. Then I immigrated into the United States, and then I was trained for pathology, that's general pathology, surgical pathology, that is a subspecialty of pathology, and hematopathology and immunohistochemistry. And now I am working at Cellmark. Doctors usually examine the patients for the tumor, try to know what the exact tumor or cancer the patient have, and then what the stage are the patient at. So doctors should order lots of procedures and using different methods, including IHC methods. So we can say that IHC is one of the most important cancer detection methods.
جدا بيت شخصيتها يلعب اخنا مبلوخ روبا تكنيكس روبا اورخاتي كتارستت انتيبوديز عاد من ديت قد لخا فيش لخزيا ايوا خام مايكروب خا بارزارت مرة اخنا مبلوخ قد بركخلون ناشي وانا الروبا بغداين قد خا اتورتا عدوك تشو تستولا وانا اخا اتورا بالخانن قا اتوراي امن ديت قد لخا بت وفملي إلى خا ريسيرش رابا خلانتا وبجلدويتا جوابو بتباش خزيا جوشولانت سيلمارك. Hello Nora.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very fine, thank you. What's going on? What are you doing?
Well, here under this microscope, I'm counting cells. We use a hemocytometer, and then we visually count the alive cells versus the dead cells, and we can tell the viability, and then from there, as you can see Ella over here, she does the work in the hood to actually keep the cells growing and happy.
May I take your time, doctor?
What's up, bro?
Hello.
Hi.
Mr. Ashut Minasian.
Hello.
My colleague. Actually, Ashut, would you please introduce yourself
Sure. My name is Ash Manasian, and I work at the Research and Development Department of Cellmark. Our products, so the research and development aim is to provide the highest quality antibodies for the diagnostic field. So our department focuses on bringing on innovative products and creating the best immunohistochemical antibodies on the market, as well as other things.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ralph.
من بعد جهاز قسمت quality control QC تاما أنا بعد قد لك أزور زينة تاما که خاصی تست دادیدون در خزی از لحاظ کیفیتی اینه در حد استاندارد. Aha ile finished producted antibody. خاجولا من سلايد تلان تاما سلايد قد زادو زينا وينا بدا فصلا خمشادن سلايد قداتن قد شادوك المشتري قد تست بتا